How's it going? My name is Jonathan, and today we're going to go over the beginner's fundamentals for object-oriented programming using Python. So in this video, we're going to make a class. We're going to create the constructor for that class, and then we're going to instantiate the class, and we're going to also have a few methods and access those methods and members, and I'll show you how to do all that right now. So let's get right into it. So this is the class definition here. We'll comment this so that we can refer back to it later. So lowercase c class, uppercase D dog. So that's the name of our class. Well, now we're going to create the constructor. This method is called when a new object is created. So the constructor constructs the object. And to create this constructor, we're going to define double underscore init double underscore self. And then we have to ask ourselves, what inputs do we want to require when this object is made? So let's think, well, we can name our dog and we can give it a breed. Okay, so when the dog constructor is called, it's going to require name and breed. So now we have to set those members. So self.name, which is going to take this name variable and assign it there, and then self.breed equals breed. So there's our constructor. Now we can add methods to this object and then call those methods. So let's create the bark method. So just for good housekeeping, I'm going to write this out. This is an instance method which can be called on an object, and we're going to define it as bark self and print woof woof my name. Yeah, let's go. Just woof woof. Create another instance method. Here's another instance method. We're going to define that one as well. Get underscore info self automatically populates that. So this is why I love PyCharm, is that it does a lot of the work for you. And so when we call this get info method, we're going to have it print two things: name self.name. And we're going to print breed. Oops, that's why that didn't come up right. Self.breed. So here we can create a new object of the dog class. So we're now outside of this class. We're not working within that anymore and defining members and methods. Dog1 equals dog. So we call this dog class dog, and we're going to pass into it Fido. And what is the breed? That's the second part we need, is golden retriever. And then we're going to dog1.bark. And so we're going to call this method, call the bark method on the dog1 object. And then we can also call dog1.getInfo. And what we're doing here is printing the info of the dog1 object. And let's run that. So name, Fido. So it's only run this two method. Bark, which is woof woof. And then this is get info. Maybe we can just do this to clean up a little bit. print again. Yeah, so just to kind of show a little space there. So that's it. That's the very basics of creating a class, constructing the class, creating the constructor, creating members, storing variables, and that is the foundation of object-oriented programming in Python. If you get anything out of this video, please subscribe. I make content like this all the time. And thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.